always windy on the farm, folks. Our first attempt at container strawberries. And got a little bit of wave there. My hooded wife. It's not near as cold as you'd think. It's like 60 degrees. But she saw a video, of all places, YouTube, about growing strawberries in a container. So, buddy boy, I had a container. It took like 4 cubic foot of dirt. No, it took more than that. It probably took about 5.5, 6 cubic foot of dirt to fill that thing up. But it's full now. And we're now putting straw around the plant so that the fruit will not be resting on the dirt, the wet, damp dirt. That's what we were told. We got these strawberry plants at the Home Depot. They're ever-bearing, is that what you said?
Ever-bearing,
yes. Ever-bearing, so that means they'll bear fruit all summer. And they come back year after year. We hope to have good luck. We've never tried to grow strawberries before. We have a goat named Strawberry, but that's a whole different story. So, like our videos, click that notification bell. We'll try to keep you posted on how the strawberries, if you see down inside there, they're blooming already, and 1 or 2 of them already got strawberries on them. Of course, can't find. Oh, here we go.
Here's one right here.
Oh yeah, look at that. See, look here. We've already got fruits for our labor, folks. So, and of course, we've got the world's best pollinators out here in the backyard, in the pasture. We captured another swarm yesterday evening. I just went out there and checked on it. Looking good. I added some pollen patty and some granulated sugar to it to get them in a happy mode. And that's, if you want to know, that is Bermuda hay left over from this year's goats' rations. And we put, what did we put in there? Potting and raised bed mixture. Organic, raised. All natural, Kellogg, all natural raised bed and potting mix.
And then of course, we mixed in this organic fertilizer that's really good for strawberries.
Yeah.
We mixed in that as well.
Dr. Earth. So there you have it. Of course, we've got the mad cow. Oh, I don't know if y'all seen our lettuce. We planted some lettuce. Let me rephrase that. My darling wife planted lettuce last weekend, and it's looking good. We got purple lettuce, green lettuce, lettuce that looks like oak tree leaves, and lettuce that, no, that's kale. Kale, yeah. So there you have it. So shutting her down here. Been a beautiful day on the farm. Always a beautiful day on the farm. Like our videos. That's the best way you can help us. Just like our videos, and then subscribe if you really like our content. Eubanks Family Homestead, or hobby homesteading and growing stuff in the backyard is going to be a way of life.